Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make Kiwi Browser faster and speed up. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Kiwi browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Kiwi browser. Then have you open up your Kiwi browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to privacy and security. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to preload pages. Then simply switch to extended preloading. And with that, more pages are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through geometry server when requested by other sites. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.